This is one of my favorite cleaning tools. It's the eCloth window cleaning. It's all just one regular cleaning cloth, and then you've got the drying cloth. There's no streaks, super simple, no chemicals, no nothing. All you do is you get this waffle looking towel wet and you go over your windows. And once you do that, you get your drying towel and you go over that. It's a microfiber towel. Streak free, super simple. It doesn't have the smell. There's no chemicals involved. And it is so easy to do. After I wipe this down, there's no mess, and it did not take long at all. I absolutely love these things. I've given them to friends and family. They all love them too.